Moikka! I made this grid art journaling video a while back. When I was doing that, I had an idea that I would like to make lots of little circles that I could decorate. So, let's do that and call this circle art journaling. First step is to make the circles. I put some masking tape to the sides of the spread. You can use a harp with a pen, or you can use any kind of round objects that you have at home. Start to make different sized circles that overlap each other. Then grab your watercolors or acrylic paints or whatever is your favorite choice. And start to paint all the little areas with different colors and have fun. And now let's move on to the decorating part. You can use different markers or colored pencils and so on. I am using black marker pens, Yono white acrylic pen and an orange Winsor Newton Pro marker pen, and the color is pumpkin. Start to make pattern to each little section of the circles. You can draw lines, dots, flowers, other botanical shapes, and so on. Just see where it takes you and enjoy. Once you have done the decorating, you can add some ink stamping to the spread. It gives it a nice touch. I had this wonderful tip in the comments that I could use a hot air gun to help with taking off the tapes, so it does not rip so easily, and that helped a lot. So a big thank you to those who helped me with this one. And I would like to thank you all for the lovely comments that you have been writing into my videos from all over the world. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.